Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to manage pipelines in Zoho CRM so you can track deals more effectively and visualize your entire sales process from start to finish. First, log into your Zoho CRM account. From the dashboard, open the Deals module where your sales pipeline is managed. Next, switch to the pipeline view if it isn't already selected. This view shows your deals organized by stages like qualification, proposal, and closing. Now you can manage your pipeline by dragging and dropping deals between stages. This helps you track progress in real time as deals move forward. You can also open any deal to update details like amount, expected closing date, notes, or next steps. Keeping this information updated makes your pipeline more accurate. To stay organized, you can filter your pipeline by owner, stage, or date range. So this helps you focus on the most important opportunities. And that's it. Yeah, you've successfully learned how to manage pipelines in Zoho CRM. Now you can track your deals more efficiently and keep your sales process moving smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.